Oh hey guys, it's Miguel and welcome back to a video, and today this is going to be a vlog thing because today I was like, I don't know what to do today, and we're pretty bored, so my mom just told us that we're going to the beach, so I was like, yo, we should vlog. So I don't really know how to vlog. I don't do this type of stuff. So if like if I'm like bad or like I don't know, I don't know how to vlog. I'm not. I don't do this stuff. I'm not a vlogger. Okay.
We were gonna record, but like.
Oh yeah, we were gonna record some Minecraft on this kid's channel.
Yeah,
but we're like, yeah. So yeah, right now we're getting dressed up and like getting our stuff ready. And yeah, we'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Okay, so we're here at the car on our way to the beach, and it's my little brother Jason. You probably haven't seen him before. That's my mom. Say hi, Mom. And yeah, hopefully we have a good time there, and see you there.
Hey you, can I learn your flavor? It's brand new. Now it's in the papers, all I seem to see. Must be something underneath. Take two, I'm still trying to figure out what makes you hard on the call. I guess it comes from your heart, cause when your head's right, you take your time. There's something about the love of things you like. Fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the heat with you staring across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too.
What's it, Brian? Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room. Bet I'm a trendsetter too. Bulletproof, on another level, ahead of the crew. Select never settles, it only gets better the more you see. Powerful and free, confidence is key. So watch me figure it out. It's all about what you bring to the crowd. Where your reference is loud. They're calling me old, set your fire on me. Like what I see, you getting closer. Hey, trendsetter, see your fire when the strobe hits you. I didn't see who you came with. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the heat with you staring up across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter.
Mate, we are actually so close. We're like a few minutes away from Banana Beach, and I'm actually. Oh yeah, we're going to Banana Beach, and we're actually so close to it. Like I can smell it.
Staring up across the room. Bet I'm a trendsetter too. I'm sorry if I seem uninterested or I'm not.
Right there.
We're right here.
Right there. Look at that. Alright, it's like right around the corner here. Where is it? Where it at though? Look at the houses, bro. They look hella weird. I see the sign from a distance. I can't zoom in. I see the sign from a distance. There's a sign. I can see it. It's right there. We're right here. Oh Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived to Banana Beach. There's two sides to this river. There's one like over there, and then there's the other one right. Move your head right over there. And we're gonna go to this one because it's.
We went here and it was so fun.
Yeah, right here we went last time and dude, it was so freaking fun. Alright, we're currently looking for a parking spot because it's like animal, like it's like crazy in here. It's so full. Oh my god. Oh, thumbnail alert, thumbnail alert. Alright. Oh dude, that boy is cute. Psych. Miss me with that crap. Put in that work. Put in that hustle, woman. Alright, alright. Oh, okay, okay. Carrying that watermelon. Ooh, thumbnail alert. Thumbnail alert. Okay. Alright. Alright, you can't probably hear me, but we're out on the beach. And it's wild. So wild. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yo guys, alright, so I just got out the water. Now I'm just here chilling in our little tent, and I'm having a blast. My little brothers are playing over there somewhere. I can't see them right now, but yeah, I low-key wanted to record like me underwater and stuff, but like I ain't trying to get my phone wet. So hey, and you're probably saying, who wears a freaking man bun? Well, I do, so. Okay, bye. Alright, so it's currently 6:50 and we were all sleeping in the car. And we stopped by for a quick CC's Pizza. Right, how was your days, guys?
Great.
What was your favorite part about it?
I ate these cookies.
Alright, guys, so right now it is 10:05, I think it is, and yeah, we just finished eating. We took a shower, and as you can tell, my eyes are like bloodshot red, and I'm like really tired. My freaking throat hurts. I feel tomorrow I'm gonna wake up like with a sore throat or something, or maybe I'm gonna lose my voice, who knows. But yeah, good thing is I had a blast today. It turns out that I left my backpack like in the changing room, so like I lost a pair of clothes, my Beats, my charger, my portable charger. I felt so retarded when I like found out I left it, but oh well. So right now I'm chilling with Rocky, that boy right here, that boy. Oh, shout out to this G. This the real G right here. So yeah, we're gonna go to sleep, and yeah. So yeah, I think this wraps it up for today's vlog. Make sure to comment down below if you want me to do more vlogs like this. And also, tell me how I did for my first vlog. I mean, I don't really know how to vlog. So yeah, send me some feedback. I wanna know what y'all guys thought of it. You wanna say something to the camera, bro? Okay. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.